1954 Mercury Monterey two-door hardtop. I bought it in the Dalles, Oregon, July 15th, 1954. And how I came to get it was that I seen an ad in a magazine for a 54 Mercury. There's one just like it on it, and I still have that magazine. Anyway, so when I was a young tot, I was working at my grandfather's butcher shop in Zillow, Washington, and I told my dad, I said, I want to buy a 54 Mercury, and he says, no way. So I went to my uncle, and he says, okay. So my dad was a truck driver, and he was going out of town. Well, he went out of town. My uncle and I, we went to the Dalles where the Mercury was, and I gave those people $3,515 for that. And my uncle just signed the papers, and we took it home and had a few years in the garage or the barn. And I've been driving it ever since. It's still all original except for the 429 C6, and I still have the engine. I could put it back right to the way it came from the factory. I drive it every day, pretty much, and it's been painted twice. Other than that, it's all original.